In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide top rows and first columns in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel from the Windows Start menu, then open the workbook where the rows and columns are hidden. In this situation, row 1 and column A are missing, so the sheet does not begin at the normal top left corner. Along the left side, the row numbers skip over the hidden area, and across the top, the column letters begin later than expected. Because the hidden row is at the very top and the hidden column is at the far left, there is no visible edge above or beside them to right-click, so the usual unhide method is not available here. Go to the Name box. This is the small box on the far left of the formula bar. Click inside it, then type A1. Pause long enough to enter it clearly, A1. Press Enter. You will not see an obvious change on the sheet, but Excel has now selected cell A1. You can confirm that by looking back at the name box, which should display A1. Now move to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top. In the Cells group on the right side, click Format. A menu will open. In that menu, move to Hide and Unhide, then choose Unhide Rows. As soon as you click it, the hidden top rows return. Row 1 and row 2 appear again, and the header row at the top of the worksheet becomes visible. Click back into the name box one more time. Type A1 again, taking a moment to enter the same cell reference, A1. Then press Enter. That places the selection back on the hidden starting point so Excel can also restore the missing columns. Stay on the Home tab, or click it again if needed. Select Format in the Cells group. Hover over Hide and Unhide, then click Unhide Columns. The first columns are restored right away. Column A and column B reappear on the left side, and the hidden fields are visible again. At this point, the worksheet starts properly at A1, with the header row back at the top, and the first columns visible on the left. The hidden data has been fully restored using the name box method. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.